Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Winter has officially kicked off, and with colder months comes a change in humidity, exposure to indoor heaters, and blustery winds that actually can make skin feel drier and look duller. In order to guard against cold weather-induced concerns like dryness and flaky skin, you may need to make a few adjustments to your winter skincare routine. Thankfully, combating wintertime's cold, dry air won't require an entirely new luxury regimen. All you need is a few dermatologist-approved recommendations to keep you and your skin covered until spring. With changing seasons, your skin's needs keep changing too. You are constantly trying to switch your winter skincare routine at home so that your skin doesn't suffer. Here are effective winter skincare tips and winter skincare hacks that you should commit to memory. 1. Say no to hot water showers. Hot water is a blessing in the winter months. There is no better feeling than treating yourself to a hot water bath in this season. But the bad news is that as much as your body feels good after a hot water shower, your skin hates it. Hot water damages the keratin cells present in the outermost layer of the skin. When these cells get disrupted, your skin becomes dry, itchy, and irritated. Moreover, hot water strips your skin of natural oils, making it drier than before. 2. Do not skip the SPF. As opposed to popular belief, your skin needs sun protection all through the year and in equal amounts. Yes, you read that right. You cannot do away with applying sunscreen in the winter months. It is, in fact, the one winter skincare tip most of us don't follow, but need to. Apart from preventing concerns such as sunburn, suntan, pigmentation, and dark spots, you are also preventing premature aging by being a sunscreen loyalist. 3. Limit exfoliation. There is more to your skincare routine for winter than just cleansing, toning, moisturizing. Exfoliating your skin from time to time is one of the equally important winter tips for best skin. Scrubbing sloughs off dead skin cells, oils, and dirt that build up on the surface of your skin day after day. When germs and bacteria accumulate, your skin loses its glow and moisture. 4. Make skincare swaps wisely. Your most trusted products may not work so well in winters. With the changing seasons, your skin's needs change too, and it is, therefore, important to make skincare swaps wisely. 5. Give your hands and feet extra TLC. While discussing tips for healthy winter skin, it's important to give your hands and feet a special mention. Do you know that the skin on your hands has fewer oil glands than the rest of your body? Therefore, your hands lose moisture rapidly, making them prone to cracks and itchiness. So it is important to moisturize your hand and feet in winter. That's it for this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye.